I'm Jared Lanham, and welcome back to Refiner's Forge. So today a little bit something different. Just want to show you my new piece of equipment here. This is a Case 450 crawler loader with a clamshell bucket and a Drot clamshell bucket. And I'll be showing that here in a second. So this will just be a quick video. This is a brand new piece of equipment. I got it a couple days ago, and I got it to do some work around the property. Grading, flattening some spots, hopefully eventually expanding my shop, but also hopefully to get some jobs and make some money with it, and so it'll pay for itself and make my wife happy. So, it's the capabilities of this machine are pretty amazing. There's a lot you can do with this clamshell bucket. So today we're just going to go out in the woods here for a second, and I already grabbed some other logs over here out of the woods and with the bucket, and I got a couple more pieces to go get. I'll show you that, but before we head out in the woods, I'll start it up and just show you how the bucket operates. Alright, so you can see I'm a rank amateur at operating one of these things, but I'm starting to get the feel for it. So this is a pretty awesome piece of machinery. If you saw some of the smiles on my face, I'm like a kid in a candy store with this new piece of machinery. Super excited about its capabilities and what it can do around my property, and learning how to make some money with it. So yeah, anyways, we'll probably do a few extra videos on this in the future, maybe on the excavation jobs or some stuff around here. But thanks as always for watching. I'm gonna get back to the job that currently makes me money, and that's doing some blacksmithing. So, but as always, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be absolutely great if you commented. Let me know what you think. If you operate one of these things or have in the past, got any tips for me? I'd love to hear it. I'm planning on building a ROPS, overhead protection for it, so definitely going to do that. And but be absolutely fantastic if you subscribed and or shared. And we'll see you next time at Refiner's Forge.